Scott Padgett has the latest from our virtual center. Scott, what are they saying?
And what's also good on snow day for the kids as well, Jess, build a fort in the house.
Yes, I've tried that. I've built every version of pillow fort you can imagine, my friend. There's only so much you can do in a New York City apartment when you can't leave.
Well, have they done the floor is lava yet?
I mean, that's a daily situation.
Okay, well, then I'm out.
Okay.
That's all I got for you
Come
there.
back later.
All right. Let's take a look what's going on. And yeah, all the parents trying to figure out as they get them back inside, what are we going to do for us? And take a look at this. So we're still seeing the snow falling for us. We've been taking those live shots from all of our reporters out there, giving us great stories for us, keeping us all informed. But let's take a look at what's happening as far as the visibility is concerned right now. And you can see visibility, it's improved in some spots. Look at the difference in Blairstown, 6 miles of visibility to 3 in Madison. But the further east you go, Bed-Stuy, about 0.8 of a mile. Same story in Massapequa to about 4 right now, 0.4, I should say. So that's an indication we still have some low visibility in some spots. Some of our weather watchers, we really appreciate you guys working with us. Here are the highest snowfall reports. Princess Bay, Staten Island, 23 inches from Mikey. Armonk from Bruce, 22 inches. Hi, Bruce. How are you doing? Kathy, hopefully you're staying warm at 21 inches. Tom in Tom's River at 17 inches. Last reports coming in from our weather watchers. Look at this. This is one of our EarthCam videos of people in Times Square just trying to get all those amazing pictures, throwing around the snowballs and just having a whole lot of fun. Big kids out there as well. And here's another look at Mulberry Street. Yeah, the snow continuing to come down. So we are still dealing with some bands of that moderate to heavier snow. And that's going to allow you to pick up even more. Look at this. We have in Staten Island more than 24 inches of snow. Some other reports coming in. Last report that we got in Central Park was 15.1. I think it's going to go up from there. All right, let's take a look through, you can see, through parts of the state as well. On Long Island, East Islip, 26.5. 26 in Shirley. So the snow will end west-east. So Long Island, you still have a number of hours to go through it. So as we're looking at this radar with me, and you're pretty well versed on this. So you can see the blue color indicating where we have some of those heavier snow bands, but we're seeing some of that improvement. Sullivan and Ulster County, down through parts of Ocean County, stretching our way down through parts of Monmouth County. But you can see in the city now seeing a pocket of some heavier snow that's moving its way on through with this very big storm. Here's that visible satellite to show you. It almost looks like a hurricane. It's not. You know, we have this nor'easter holding together that center of circulation right there. But I want to widen out the view to show you how expansive the storm is. And look at this calm structure. So as meteorologists, we look at that to see how powerful this storm is. And so that's an indication that we still have quite some time for this to eventually weaken as it works its way northeast. All right, let me go and close this. I should give you a sneak peek what I'm going to do. I'm going to open up the floor here a little bit more. All right, for some reason we have the wrong source in there. It's not working, but you can see it's slushy and icy in some spots. Let's close that if we can. For some reason, that my little fun graphic I wanted to do there, not working out the way that I wanted, but I can pop up a box here next to me again and talk about the blizzard. And as far as this blizzard warning is concerned, so we've been talking about it. What constitutes a blizzard? So you have to have visibility of 1/4 mile or less. Those winds of 35 miles per hour or higher for at least 3 hours. We've been dealing with that since early in the morning and pretty much all morning long. So the blizzard warning does continue all the way through parts of our Jersey counties, through Long Island. You can see through Connecticut as well. It's a little bit different through parts of Sullivan County into Pike County, because the conditions haven't been as bad. This is until about 6 o'clock this evening, the blizzard warning that is in the forecast for. So as we take a look at the Futurecast, so you saw that center of circulation, you saw how expansive the storm is. Now let's watch this Futurecast, how it moves from west to east. Here we are on noon. By 2 to 3, this is a bit aggressive, showing some clearing or some, weakening, I guess, of some of the snow that's out there. We're seeing that continuing from west-east, but still the snow falling through parts of Long Island, down through parts of the Jersey Shore. Eventually, by the time we go into the early evening hours, we're going to start to see some of these snow showers stick around. So maybe not as widespread continuous snow, but some snow showers sticking around for us. So today, we're sitting at 34 degrees. Morning snow and windy for us. We're now going into the afternoon hours. It's going to be winding down for us, as I mentioned. Still seeing those winds out of the north to the northwest at 35 to 45 miles per hour. Now into tonight, the snow coming to an end. It's going to be a cold night, down to 23 degrees, feeling like 0 to 15 because we still have these gusty winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour in the forecast. So going into tomorrow, we're going to be seeing a drier day. You're going to see some peaks of sunshine, cold sunshine, only warming to 32 degrees. We'll see a little bit of melting, not a whole lot, feeling like the 20s for us. Still, though, seeing those winds out of the northwest at 20 to 30. Still a change in pressure systems from this low pressure, this nor'easter that's pulling away, and the next system moving in. So still going to be blustery for us going into tomorrow. I know I'm getting to the 7-day forecast. Let's spend some time here. So we're at 32 degrees for your Tuesday, seeing some cold sunshine out there for you. And what's interesting with sunshine, and when you have a snowpack, the sun is going to, obviously try to melt us a bit more, but it's something called, when snow's on the ground, it has something called an albedo, which means it bounces off any of that sunshine. What means the sun gets there, it kind of bounces off of it, can't fully melt it until we then get temperatures warming it back up. I was going down a meteorological road there with you guys. By the time we get to Sunday, hey, it's March 1st. That's good, right? We're near 50 degrees in the forecast.
March 1st. Okay, while we have you, Scott, we've got a little extra time. I have been fascinated with this concept of thunder snow.
Yeah.
You were talking about it last night. Did we see episodes of thunder snow? And can you kind of describe for our viewers what that was like, the impact of that intense snow happening in those bursts?
Yeah, and I don't know, and if my weather producer was on to get if we've had any close to the coast. We were looking at the center of the storm, Cindy and Jess, that was further offshore, and we were seeing lightning strikes. So there is a graphic that we can find if you guys want to pull it up in the Weather Center of what thundersnow is. So when you hear a thunderstorm, right? A thunderstorm, you have the convection, you have the turbulence that's going on with it. So with that, that's where we would get the thunder from a thunderstorm. We have that heavier rain. It's the same type of process, except the column of moisture from surface all the way up is cold enough to just get snow. But you still have that same convection happening. So you get lightning, you get the thunder, and then you get thunder snow.
All right. That was very helpful.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
Thank you very much.
I didn't even know what thunder snow was. So, Scott, thank you very much. All right. Now, if you are able to do it carefully, and again, carefully, send in your snow photos and pictures. Just scan the QR code on your screen right there, and you might see your photos here on the air.